At Kaweah Health, mental health is part of overall health, which is why they've created the Kaweah Health Center for Mental Wellness. Our Amberlynn Carroll spoke to two of the center's licensed marriage and family therapists to find out how they're improving overall well-being with therapy.
Joining us now is Gabriela Martinez and Maria Mendoza. Can you please tell us a little bit about Kaweah Health's Center for Mental Wellness?
Yeah, so the Center for Mental Wellness is Kaweah Health's newest counseling clinic. We are a counseling center. We offer individual counseling, family counseling, couples counseling, child and adolescent therapy, and group therapy.
That's awesome. And as we all know, September is Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, something very close to my heart. How can your services help people with suicide prevention and help with an overall mental wellness in that sector?
Yeah, so you're right. It is a very important month, and the CDC says that over 48,000 people died of suicide in 2021. That's one death every 11 minutes. So our center can help in a lot of ways. We offer professional, compassionate, trauma-informed clinicians here. So this is a very safe environment for anybody who is experiencing grief, marital discord, financial job stress, children who are being bullied. Those all tend to be linked to higher risk for suicidal thoughts. So yeah, we're here to help with that.
That's incredible. And I know that's one of the biggest factors is just having that safe space and having someone to talk to. Can you speak a little bit about that? If someone is struggling, what's the first step for them?
Yeah, well, noticing those signs, right? Maybe increased drug and alcohol use, hopelessness, isolation, mood changes, all those are the warning signs. And not being afraid to ask, are you having thoughts of harming yourself, or have you had a thought of taking your life? It's a scary question, but it's needed, and that person needs to be believed and shown care and concern. And if that happens, give us a call, definitely.
Absolutely. And I've always heard sparking the conversation does not induce the action. It actually helps and takes a huge weight off people's shoulders. Can you describe why that is?
It is. It's because when they know that they're being heard and seen and believed, it takes away the shame. It's a really important thing that needs to happen for those folks.
Yeah, hands down. I completely agree. And you guys are awesome. How can people get in contact with you, schedule an appointment, talk with you?
Yeah, so we don't require any referrals. Anybody can just call and get in contact with us and see if they're a good fit for our clinic. Our number is 559-624-6875. Also, if somebody is in a crisis, there is the national number. That's the 988 number. They can just call or text, and they'll be connected to a local crisis center.
And I did have another question for you guys. What are some signs and symptoms that caregivers, parents, friends, and family can look out for in this sector as well?
Yeah, the mood changes, the isolation. Sometimes the more obvious would be leaving letters, giving things away, anything that is not the norm for your family member.
Well, thank you guys so much for being here today. It means so much to us, and it means so much to the viewer, I know, as well. And we just are so thankful for what you guys do.
Thank you so much for having us.
Up next, this next business is helping families and communities be prepared for any occasion with high quality and great tasting products you can enjoy anytime and anywhere. We have more after this.